hot, yeah. Rudolph, 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 how you do that? Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you do that. Rudolph, Rudolph, I know how you do that. Ever wonder how reindeers fly so high, yeah. Rudolph, Rudolph, tell me how you fly so high.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is officially Christmas land here in the Barbie makeup studio. I have the holiday Barbies. They are up. I have my cute little princess Barbie tree. It's like a cross between princess and Barbies. Have my cute little advent calendar from Jouer Cosmetics. And I am decked out looking like Santa Ho-Ho himself. Yes, got the awkward red robe that I got that was supposed to be hot pink. This is not hot pink. This is red. We're Santa Ho-Ho here. We're just gonna do like a quick eye tutorial only using the new ColourPop and Rudolph collection. I got obviously the little ears. They were so cute. I had to do it. Just had to do it. And then I also got the palette, which look how fun and cute this little box looks. Like it looks like it's cut out in a way so that the front of the palette shows. And it looks like a little 3D like little Christmas window. Super cute. And then I got the lip and lip liner duo. My phone is going crazy. Listen guys, Jouer Cosmetics just reposted me and like I'm freaking out. I'm kind of like riding that high right now. I've literally been sitting here for like an hour because I sat down, looked at my phone real quick before I started, and then I saw it, and yeah, I've been sitting for like an hour just like watching it. Like fun times. I wanted to show you the ears on the carton just because they look so dang cute. Now I'm gonna cut them out. Here they go. And they have like a little tag on the back for ColourPop. This is great because I always clip my hair up anyways out of the way during my videos. Just now I get to have some little ears. Those are cute. I'm not gonna lie. I think they're stinking adorable. I might have to wear them to a Christmas party or event. I'm gonna zoom out just a little more today because I want you to be able to see the cute little ears. I'm gonna start out, of course, priming my eyes with the Jouer Cosmetics Clean Canvas Primer. Okay. Gonna prime the eyelids. What is that noise? That was a really low chopper. Just saying. Even the back of this is super cute. I know ColourPop, they come out with a lot of products and it is like nearly impossible unless you're like on their PR list to stay on top of it. I do like to pick up some of their super fun ones that are super themed out. So here is the palette. And even the mirror is super cute, has the lights around it. There's my setup. So I feel like it's like a really pretty but like muted, more mature Christmas color selection. There, of course, was not my brow bone highlight color, so I'm gonna grab my Viseart and show you so you can see exactly what it is. It's the shade 04 Ivory, and I'm just going to set under the brow bone. The shade is my Ride or Die. And here on the inner corner, I'm gonna take this M504, trying to decide which route I wanna go with this look. Do I wanna lean more greens? Do I lean more reds? I'm gonna go into this color right here called Eat Eat. I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. I'm gonna grab the mid-tone brown called Little Buck. I have an uncle who we call Uncle Buck. I'm gonna take this Nabla, an N304, and I'm gonna use this just to deepen up the crease. I mean, I grew up watching the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. They had several, and I'm sure, I mean, everybody did. Like, if you didn't watch this growing up, did you really have a childhood? I don't want to say that to like I hope you did. I hope you had an awesome childhood where you got to grow up watching this, because every single year I remember going and grabbing the newspaper. It would come out with it like right after Thanksgiving, and it would have the holiday TV schedule on it, and it would tell you what shows were going to be on what channel at what time, so that you can make sure you checked it out. And I remember getting the newspaper and having that. We'd have to have one for our upstairs living room and one for our downstairs living room, so we had access to that holiday TV schedule all times. I remember going in as a child and highlighting each one I wanted to watch to be like, okay, that's when I'm gonna watch it, that's when it's on TV. This was obviously before the days of DVR. DVR, like, to me, still like a newer feature. I didn't grow up with DVR. Anyways, I look a little crazy while I'm telling this story. I should probably tell the story like when the look is done. I remember those days, and those were the good old days. I'm gonna grab the Morphe 507. And I'm gonna grab the dark green called Christmassy Time. And I'm going to take that and I'm gonna start laying it down like here on the outer edge of my lid. I am getting some fallout, which is typical. I'm taking clean brushes that I don't like always reach for, because I want them to, one, be clean, because I'm going in with different colors. I don't want any bleeding or muddiness to happen. I'm going to take this Nova N204. I'm going to go into the burgundy shade called Full Power. I have to just say the name of this, Gadzooks. I don't know if I'll use it in this color or in this look, but I just had to say the name. Okay, so I'm taking Full Power and putting it right in front of the green and just building that up and packing that down. Now I'm going into the next shade that I had to use strictly because of the name. The red shimmer called Handsome Nose. Handsome Nose. Gonna take the same brush since it was in the same color family, the N204, and I'm gonna go kind of right in front of, almost on top of that purple reddish burgundy shade. Out of my comfort zone as far as looks goes, but we're in it, we're here. Gotta commit. Just taking some more of that green and packing it down. I'm gonna go with the Nabla N103, and since it is kind of a little more dark, I want to brighten it up. I'm gonna go in with this like kind of pearly pinky white shimmer called North Pole, and I'm gonna place this on the inner corner and blend it in. There's a lot of fallout with this one, not gonna lie. I don't know why I say that. I never lie. But I blend it into the Handsome Nose, which gives it brings out more like that pinkish tone. And I actually, where did it go? There it is. I'm gonna spray it with some Fix Plus. And I'm just gonna go back into Handsome Nose and kind of blend those lines between the two even more. And you can see I drug North Pole up, like kind of towards the top of that crease. I'm gonna take this Morphe M149, it's like a little detailed brush, and I want to work a little more in the crease. I'm gonna go back into Little Buck, and I'm just gonna kind of pinpoint this on top of all that all that lid work I just did. Blow this out and round it out. I feel like that helped kind of pull things together. If you want to feel like you need a little more brightness, I'm gonna grab this light pinky shade called Independent Together, and I'm gonna go back on the M504, and I'm just going to slightly layer that right on the top of that crease, and that just brings a little more warmth to like blend in with the red that I have going on here. Like, I feel like I need to just say the shade names of everything in here. We have North Pole, Mush Mush, Independent Together, Eat Eat, Lots of Tinsel, Little Buck, Snowbank, Handsome Nose, Misfit Toys, Elf Practice, Christmas Time, Gadzooks, Up, Up, and Away, Full Power, and Ready Santa. I'm gonna take this M705 concealer brush and just some makeup remover here, and I'm just gonna clean up the outer line here and kind of pick up some of that fallout. I'm gonna grab my Kaja liquid liner and add a quick wing. I feel like my wing on this side doesn't fully match and I like this side better. It happens, but I do want to make this wing a little more festive with this look. So before I clean it up again, I'm gonna go back in with Christmassy time and I'm gonna take this M326. My hands are so dry right now. Should put some lotion on before I started filming. So I'm gonna take this, especially since this wing kind of covered up a lot of the green in the crease. I'm just gonna layer that right on top of the black liner. You know how I love to smoke out my liner. In my opinion, it changes everything. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back in with that brush again, just clean it up a little again. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face makeup and then I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead, applied the rest of my face and applied my lashes. These are my 3D Foam Ink Ardell 858s. Nothing beats this lash style for me. Like, they're just my ride or die. They always come in clutch. They're the right amount of floofiness and I love them. They're the best. I'm a little perplexed on what to do for my lower lash line. What to do, 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 what to do today. I'm going to grab my JH38 and I'm going to take Little Buck and I am just going to buff that under the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a little bit of Independent Together on a fluffier like pencil brush. It's an E17, just a tap. And I'm going to blend that right underneath of Young Buck. I'm gonna take this JH47. My hands are ashy. I'm gonna take a little bit of Christmassy Time and I'm gonna just start, I'm gonna place that right on to the lower lash line. I feel like because there's so much more of the red and purpley tone on my upper lid, I want to bring in some more of this green. I'm gonna grab my Nimia Set It and Forget It setting spray. I'm gonna apply my lower lash mascara with the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Now we're gonna go into the lipstick. Look how cute the packaging is on this lip liner. So adorable. Is it the same shade name? It doesn't even say the shade name on here. So yes, the answer is yes. Just gonna line the lips. I'm obsessed with this color. Like, it's a deep, almost burgundy red. And then here is the lipstick. It matches my nails. That was not done on purpose. Freaking stinking adorable. And then there's little like snowflakes on it. Okay, that's adorable. Oh, I love how it turned out. Okay, and just because it's Rudolph, I'm gonna have to grab some highlighter. I'm gonna grab the Jouer Cosmetics, the Flash Palette, which you can buy all these colors individually. I don't need that, I still have plenty. I'm gonna take a little bit of Gleam and Iced, and then just kiss that. Boom. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of Gleam on my inner corner here, right under the brow high point, and then because it's Rudolph, a little bit of nose highlight. Yeah. Do I look like Christmas? or do I look like Christmas? I think I look like Christmas. I got my necklace, my Christmas necklace on, my bows, my little Rudolph ears, my Rudolph nose. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this ColourPop Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. It's kind of a tongue twister when you try to say it fast. Look, what do you guys think? I think it turned out super cute. I was very nervous to play with these colors together in this kind of a look, but I am vibing with it. I think it turned out very beautiful. Very nice, very nice. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you also picked up this palette or this collection. If you did, go ahead and leave a little Christmas tree emoji down below. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big ol' thumbs up. Leave any other comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I love to talk to you guys. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell right there. Join the Allie Ann clan, the AAC, and I will see you guys in the next one. Happy holidays. Bye.
Rudolph, 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 how you